Hello guys, welcome to Golden Apple Aviation, and this is our A320 Prep series, and we are into a new chapter, electrical systems. We hope these sessions adds value to your A320 system knowledge. For any clarification, any doubt, please write it to us either on our social media handles or via email. What does the blue external power on light means? If you go to the electrical overhead panel, go to external power, and on this external power, if you see the legend on in blue, that means external power is plugged in and it is in use, or you can say aircraft is supplied with the electrical power by the external. Moving forward, which buses are powered when external power is supplying the AC current? So here it is trying to say that when obviously you have multiple sources of electrical current, your generators, you have APU, and you have a ground external power. So if you are not using generator or APU, you are using external power for aircraft electrical system. Now in that case, what buses among these, what all buses will be powered? So answer is everything is normal. So all buses will be powered in that situation. So options are all buses are powered, all buses except galley is powered. So all buses will be powered along with the galley. Next question would be, after starting the APU, normally what you do to get APU generator to power the electrical system. Now my APU is started. So the question was saying your aircraft is powered by by external power. You started your APU. How will you transfer the power? So simply what I am gonna do, from external power on your overhead panel, I'll just put it at off position. Now look at here. Automatic transfer of the power from external power to APU generator has been done. Now entire your electrical network is powered by APU generator. So the answer to this question is, you just have to push your external power PV and transfer your power from external to APU generator. I'll read out the option. It says, push the external power button, thus disconnect the external power if it was on, and the power will be automatically transferred. So answer is correct.